Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term Analects. Introduction. The term Analects derives from the Greek word analekta, meaning things gathered up. It refers to a collection of selected passages, sayings, or thoughts taken from an author or speaker. These collections, often comprising significant or memorable statements, obiter dicta, incidental remarks, or pensées, reflections or thoughts, serve as a way to preserve and disseminate the wisdom or philosophy of a particular individual or tradition. Among the most famous examples of Analects are the sayings attributed to the Chinese philosopher Confucius. Although this literary form has been employed by various cultures to capture the essence of other influential figures as well. The nature and purpose of Analects. Analects are essentially crumbs or gleanings from a broader body of work or teachings. They do not necessarily provide a comprehensive or systematic account of an author's thoughts, but rather capture key ideas, principles, or aphorisms that are deemed worthy of preservation. The purpose of compiling Analects can vary. Some collections aim to encapsulate the essence of a philosopher's teachings, while others may serve to highlight more casual or offhand remarks that reveal insights into the author's character or worldview. Confucius and the Confucian Analects. Confucius, one of the most influential figures in Chinese philosophy, is often credited with the authorship of the Analects, despite the fact that he is believed to have written nothing himself. The Analects of Confucius is a collection of sayings and ideas attributed to Confucius and his disciples, compiled posthumously by his followers. These sayings encapsulate the ethical and philosophical teachings of Confucius, focusing on morality, proper conduct, and the virtues necessary for a harmonious society. Examples from Confucius Analects. Do not do unto others that you would not wish done unto you. This well-known Confucian teaching, emphasizing reciprocity and empathy in human relationships, and has a profound influence on ethical thought, not only in Asia but around the world. Ribald Confucianisms. In addition to serious and ethical teachings, there are also a number of ribald or humorous Confucianisms, sayings or anecdotes attributed to Confucius that are either playful or satirical in nature. These ribald Confucianisms contribute to a fuller understanding of Confucius as a figure who, despite philosophical gravitas, was also seen as approachable and human. These anecdotes often reflect the wit and wisdom of Confucius in everyday situations, providing a lighter yet insightful perspective on his teachings. Example of ribald Confucianism. A man who chases two rabbits catches neither. This humorous saying highlights the futility of trying to achieve multiple goals simultaneously without focusing on one. Analects of other writers. While Confucius is perhaps the most famous figure associated with the term Analects, other writers and thinkers have also had their sayings and thoughts compiled in similar collections. These collections serve to capture the essence of their wisdom and offer insights into their unique perspectives. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, left behind a series of personal writings known as Meditations. Although not originally intended for publication, these reflections have been gathered and revered as Analects of Stoic philosophy, offering practical advice on how to live a virtuous and fulfilling life. Example from Marcus Aurelius. The happenings of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. This reflection emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive and disciplined mindset, a central tenet of Stoic philosophy. Michel de Montaigne. Michel de Montaigne, the French Renaissance philosopher, is known for his essays, which often read like collections of thoughts and reflections on various topics, from human nature to society. Montaigne's work is a rich source of Analects, where readers can find pithy, insightful observations that continue to resonate. Example from Montaigne. A man who fears suffering is already suffering from what he fears. Montaigne's observation reflects his belief in the power of the mind to create unnecessary suffering, a theme that runs throughout his essays. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson, the American transcendentalist, is another figure whose work has been distilled into Analects. His essays and lectures contain numerous memorable passages that encapsulate his philosophy of self-reliance and individualism. Example from Emerson. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. This aphorism highlights Emerson's emphasis on personal authenticity and the courage to maintain one's individuality in the face of societal pressures. The structure and content of Analects. The structure of Analects varies depending on the author and the compiler. Some collections like Analects of Confucius are organized into books or chapters, each containing a series of sayings and dialogues. Others may be more loosely organized, with passages grouped thematically or simply presented in the order they were recorded. The content of Analects often includes reflections on morality, human nature, society, and the human condition, offering a snapshot of the author's philosophical or ethical views. The legacy of Analects. The legacy of Analects is vast and enduring. Collections like Analects of Confucius have become cornerstones of their respective cultures, influencing not only philosophy and ethics but also literature, education, and public life. The format of Analects, short memorable passages, allows for the easy transmission and retention of key teachings across generations. Moreover, the concept of Analects has transcended its original cultural context, becoming a universal format for preserving the wisdom of influential figures from various traditions. Conclusion. Analects as a literary form play a crucial role in the preservation and dissemination of wisdom across cultures and ages. Whether in the form of Confucian sayings, Stoic reflections, or transcendentalist aphorisms, Analects serve as a repository of ideas that continue to inspire and guide individuals and societies. The Analects of Confucius and similar collections from further thinkers capture the essence of their teachings, offering timeless insights into the human experience. Through both serious teachings and lighter ribald sayings, Analects provide a window into the thought processes and values of those who have left a lasting impact on the world. So this was the discussion on the term Analects. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.